Happy New Year again, everybody. It's 4:19 and 35 seconds on January 1st. This is the main drawing for the Spider-Man 4 graded 1.5 for Sandman. Over here are the 33 filled spots. Barney, spot 20 and 12 were your two from the mini. Second place, Isaac, coming in first place in the mini, got 10, 8, 5, and 3. Alright, I'm going to roll the 3 dice. The number is 12. Going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will ship tomorrow, January 2nd. Best of luck, everybody. And again, Happy New Year to you and yours. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here comes the final one. 12, spot 33, Jeff Lewis. Congratulations. Time is 4:20 and 30.